This is it. It's finally here. It took me 8 years to get this product in my hand. It's like meeting your legend, really it is. And I tried to crack the code for 8 years to recreate the product for myself with my 3D food printer here. And of course, now you want to know what it is. It is 3D printed pasta from Italy from the company Artisia. It's incredible, believe me. I can wait to crack this thing open and see how the product really looks like. I see it only on YouTube videos and research for many, many years to my book and to create the recipes. So it's really something special. And stop talking now. Let's crack this thing open. Let's see what the Italians can do with durum wheat, water, and a 3D food printer. 10 days ago, I ordered 6 different shapes. I hope they're all intact. What's inside? Of course, paper as a filler. Let's get rid of it. We want to see the final product in the packaging. Oh yes, oh yes. Come on, you are kidding me? That looks amazing. That looks elegant. Black, white, and gold. Come on. There's nothing else to say. It's just beautiful. And here what I have in my hand in the first box is the bloom shape. It's like an open flower. Then we have circle, a more simple shape, but don't underestimate it. It's still beautiful. Amphora, it's a very complex shape. Cupid for all romantic guests for Valentine's Day, perfect. Petal looks like a simple shape, but it's far away from that. Then we have Gemitus, designed from Diego Cusano. It's a food artist. Very interesting. And seriously, just look at this packaging for a moment. It's so elegant and thoughtful designed. When you see here the golden print, the shape of the pasta, what is inside, then of course the name in the front of it, and this matte finishing, everything feels just premium. Let's circle back to the last box. Hey, check this out. This box has a sleeve on it, and look at what it says, Blue Rhapsody. Now this is kind of cool because Artisia actually used to be the name Blue Rhapsody. Yeah, back in 2017, this really neat Italian company popped up in Parma, and get this, actually started with a research team at Barilla, you know, the famous pasta people. Now the moment of truth. You know, I'm working with my Procusini for a long time, and I know how insane the precision needs to be when it comes to pasta printing. Let's see what's in the box. Of course, there is a recipe card with the pictures on top of the product. Just really smart, and it looks already appealing. I just love it. There's another layer of protection. Let's open it up, and there they are. Oh my god, they're looking so delicate and just perfect. Oh my goodness, wide opening is just perfect for things that are inside, and there's so much texture. I can feel already that sauce will really stick on it very well. I love it. It's just like a product where you can put a ragu or anything else, a little bit texture. It's dehydrated, so I guess that's how they can send it now to United States. Before, what I know, it was only available as a frozen product. Close it up, and let's go to the next one. And this is Gemitus by Diego Cusano. I mentioned him before. Diego Cusano is a fantastic food artist, so I was expecting something right from him. And I think there will be another recipe card in the box. Yes, no surprise, but oh my god, it is a little surprise because it looks just stunning. And the recipe in the back, but in Italian. Okay, I need Google Translator for that. And oh my god, he delivers, really. Oh my god, this is just a masterpiece. Come on, this is so sculptural. It's a real statement piece. That kind of thing that turns a plate into gallon. Come on, let's go to the next one. I can wait how this one looks like. Get first a little bit organized. It's a little bit starting getting messy here, sorry. So put this on top where we already opened, so we don't losing the overview. So let's move to the next. This is now Amphora. It's a shape. It looks like an Asian base, and it fascinated me when I discovered the recipe and pasta 3D printing. And yes, oh my god, yeah, it's like I imagine it. This is so beautiful. It looks like really an Asian base, and I'm sure you can hold a lot of liquid in it. Yeah, maybe a sauce of broth. I don't know. I will try some recipes and see what I come up with. It's something I never was able to recreate. So let's move to the next. As we still keep everything organized, and we come to Cupid. So these are little heart shapes. Yes, they are. These are definitely hearts. And I was able to print this with my Procusini in chocolate, easy peasy, no problem. In pasta, I was able to make a heart, but not with these little overlaps when it comes to the bottom. It's really hard. But these are shaped for special occasions, for weddings, for Valentine's Days, or any other anniversaries. It's just great. You can have it in different colors. It's just beautiful. Simple, but beautiful. I printed these heart shapes quite often because every Valentine's Day event or wedding, I make desserts in the shape of a heart. And now I'm able to even serve it as an appetizer. So this is circle, and I was able to recreate this shape. It was one of my first successful pasta prints, what I was very proud of. And of course, I got the idea, of course, from Rhapsody or Artisia. Or can you see this? Come on, this is just fractions are so nuts, really. I love it. And yeah, I guess a little bit higher than my design. What I created is a little bit lower, but it's just a perfect amount of pasta.
These are really impressive shapes printed in 3D pasta dough. Really, I can't believe it. It's not only shapes, these are really little sculptures. It's just unbelievable. And of course, I'm sure you're dying to see how they perform. I would say it's time to cook some up. I will say we start to cook first the circle and the petal shape. These have wide openings, and I have some vegetable leftovers, some zucchini and tomatoes. I will chop them up and use them as a filling, and see how they perform as a transportation device for our little bites, and if they really taste good after they're boiled. The cooking time for these are 13 minutes, of course in very salty water. And yeah, let's do the next step. Now it's time to fill these little sculptures with our sauteed vegetables. Oh, beauty. Oh my god. We really don't need much for that. It's already incredible. I love it. It looks amazing. Hopefully it tasted good. But I'm pretty sure we did a good job here. Okay. So this is just perfect right now for preparing. You can warm it up in the oven a little bit. It's a little like steam, yeah, in the oven. So 180 Celsius, or go it on 360, just a little heat for a minute or two, because you have it already warm, the filling inside. And then you just have to warm up the pasta a little bit, and then it's ready to serve. I will push a little bit of olive oil. I guess this is what it needs. Just a few drops. So maybe in the future it can be a herb oil or a garlic oil. Depends, of course, what clientele you serve. Time to choose. What do you think? We should try it, huh? We should try it. We should try it. We should try it. Yes, it's delicious. The pasta al dente, so it holds. It's very easy to grab, also for the guests later on when you want a little bit nicer presentation, or on a spoon. Definitely in the next videos we make a nicer presentation of each little pasta dish. And yeah, it's just, I have to get the next one. Sorry. Really, think you eat a bite of a pasta dish you created. This can fill with a ragu, tomato sauce, whatever you want, seafood. It's just, your imagination is the limit. So really, that's something I just can really 100% stay behind it. And of course, I will try to copy it with my printer, with this little guy. And we see you soon in the next episode. I hope you follow us, subscribe, and we see you in the next show.